We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2012 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra in Ember Red Sunglow. Beautiful bike, especially for its age. So we have the engine guards with the highway pegs on it, so you can stretch out on a nice long ride. Rider and passenger floorboards. Has the 103 engine in it. Locking saddlebags and tour pack. Has the built-in speakers on the passenger backrest. Heel toe shifter. And this one has also been equipped with a Bluetooth radio, which is awesome. So easy to connect to your phone. This bike also has dual disc brakes, both sides, and we have ABS on this model as well. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.